In this video, I'll show you how to download and install VOSK, the free transcription and translation application that is powered by OpenAI's Whisper. Now, I've already walked you through this, but since the last video that I did, they released an installable version for Windows and I believe for Mac. And for some strange reason, I believe VOSK is now only available for Windows and Mac. So if you go to the link in the description below, you'll see that you can install VOSK by downloading the latest version for your operating system, and VOSK is available on Mac and Windows. So if you're on Linux, you'll probably need to use older versions of VOSK. So let's go to the releases right here, and I'll leave a direct link to the releases, and you can see that this is as 4 days ago, 0.5.3. What has changed? Fixed seg faults from progress dialog box, and different things here that I may not understand, but I believe they're making the product better, and added a Windows XE file. Sorry about that. Let's go back. That we can use. So you can just scroll down and you'll see that there are now two files. This one is for Mac, DMG 31 MB, and the VOSK.0.5.3.exe for Windows. And then you can scroll down slightly. If you're still on the others, like Linux, you can get this one. It's 1.47 GB. If you want to use VOSK for automatic transcription, that's powered by OpenAI's Whisper. So let's click on this one, and once I click on it, it's going to automatically start downloading. Depending on the internet speed that you have, this will be probably a quick option or a quick thing, or maybe a slow option, but the file is just 144 MB. So let's give it a couple of minutes because my internet connection is not the best, but we'll come back once it's done downloading, and then we'll install this on our computer. Now, VOSK is almost done downloading. Now, once it's done, we're going to follow the on-screen prompts to install it, and I'll walk you through it step by step. You may get a notification of like VOSK is not a recognized program or is unsafe. It's not unsafe. It's a safe program to use to transcribe on your computer. So I want to walk you through this so that if you get into that particular situation, you don't freak out or think that this is a virus that is being installed on your computer. No, it's not. It's a legit program that is powered by OpenAI's Whisper. So there we are, almost done. There we go. So VOSK 0.5.3 XE isn't commonly downloaded. Make sure you trust VOSK before you open it. So I'll click on these three dots and then say keep. And from this, Microsoft Defender Smart Screen couldn't verify this file is safe because it isn't commonly downloaded. Make sure you trust the file you're downloading or its source before you open it. Because I've already used it and I know that it's a trusted source, I'll click on show more, keep anyway. Now it's going to be kept in the downloads folder, and if you navigate to the downloads folder, you'll find this particular application. Now, to install VOSK, just double click on it, and you'll need to select the install mode. Install for all users. I'll click on that. Yes. And once we begin, it prompts you where you want to install it. I'll say on C, and it shows you the space required, at least 0.99 GB, because obviously it's going to extract some of the files that are inside there that will help you in the automatic transcription using OpenAI's Whisper. Click on next. You may create a desktop shortcut if you want, but I will not do that. Click on next. Click on install, and it's going to install, including FFmpeg, everything that is required for you to use it to automatically transcribe audio or video into text or subtitles for any work that you're doing. So what we can do, just give it a couple of seconds. You can actually just minimize everything else. There it goes. It's just installing all the programs that are required for us to install and run VOSK. So it's already done, completing the VOSK setup wizard. Setup has finished installing VOSK on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the install shortcuts. Click finish to exit setup, but there is a checkbox to either launch, or if you uncheck it, you actually cannot launch VOSK right now. But I want to launch it. Click on finish. Once I do that, it's going to bring back the interface that we all know. And you can now start using it. And that's it. That's how you can download and install VOSK, the free transcription and translation app that is powered by OpenAI's Whisper. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.